content not suitable for people who don't enjoy super awesomeness. Viewer discretion.
What's up, Crank Up King? Who there? It's the boy Crank Up and we're back with another video. Yo, me love the energy. Me love the energy. Yo, Kingston, you know me say watch who got foreign? If we never got foreign, come like that would me say. Watch it now. We're fresh from tour. You know, we're fresh off a tour. Me feel like an artist. Zine, watch it now. If you're new to the gang, member, subscribe. Like the video. That's one of number one rule on the channel. Zine, make sure you hit that like button. Follow me on Instagram also if you want to be a part of these videos. You understand? Westmoreland, Portland, Chilani. Make you know which one we forward first. Send me a DM now if you want to be a part of that. Male and female. Send a DM, pop the balloon, bikini. We are pull up in our hometown. Zine, before we even get into the video again, we are looking at the eyes again. We're there Jamaica. And we're there Jamaica one way we transport. Zine. Motor Source. Big up Motor Source. The #1 car mart in a Jamaica. Zine, see it up on the screen. Make sure you follow him. Zine, buy on the car them from there. Make him know say I Crank Up sending now. Zine, we are getting a video. Let's go.
No. Why Kizzy said my brum niggas got bro getting sturdy. Yes, sir. Yo, bro, that song was cold, bro. That song was cold. You know I'm not gonna fake nothing. That song was cold.
I asked for the fuck, Chris.
I came back just in time.
So, we are going to do a little quick rock paper scissors. I need a male captain and a female captain to push out.
So man, them who we choosing? Which girl we choosing? I'm not gonna lie, I need them to turn around first before I choose anybody.
The man. Alright, a female captain, push out on hand.
Yo, she full of tattoo. Oh my god.
Which one on where I work with? Alright, you put out the hand
Hey
first.
girl,
See,
you
put out the hand first. Who back here? See? Quick rock paper scissors. Best out of 3. And we're going to decide who side to start, male or female. And after 3, rock paper scissors shoot now. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Rock paper scissors shoot. Alright, female and loser one day. Let's go again. Let's go again. Best out of 3. Rock paper scissors shoot. Tie. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Tie. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
We can't skip this part still, because as you see, I'm singing. Means, oh my god, look at her. You see, this is why I don't like these body videos, you know. Because then when you walk from behind the thing, look at her face, bro.
This side. Come on, this side. Wow. How are you?
Oh, she not ugly.
You good?
I'm fine, yeah.
You fine?
Oh, she not ugly. No, she not ugly. No, she's not ugly. No, she's not ugly.
What's your name?
Cooley.
Cooley?
Yeah.
She named Cooley.
Are you on the right name?
Cooley 18.
No matter. What you want them call you?
Cooley, yeah. You
Cooley.
can call me Cooley.
Yeah, Cooley under this ear?
Yeah, Waleep.
Waleep. You ready?
My girl said, Wally pa Cooley under this ear.
About Cooley?
No, I don't have that part there.
Alright, what's the social?
Boy, I don't like tell people my business going on.
Alright, don't tell them. What do you do?
Promotion dancing.
Dancing.
Promotion
So what's
dancing.
what's your type? What's your type?
I don't really about my type, you know, or looks, you know, personality me deal with, you know.
Personality?
Yeah, and loyalty and them little thing. Them in a business about, oh yes, look or all of that, you know.
Alright, I like that. So what you know? What are them 6 gens you've seen?
Yo, she stood up strong. Her body just look strong. Am I the only one getting this vibe? Like she just look like she eat whole heap of food. Like, you know them?
Based on how they look, their body structure and everything, I just want you to smash and pass the whole line.
No,
and
you
after
know what
do
I
that,
mean.
you go pick which one you feel like you don't want to be a match with.
Yo,
Okay.
Slime Eater say OMG beer back. What? You're going inside her beer box, Slime? Yo, well, you're a slime for real, I can't lie.
You can ask him a question if you
Why
want.
Kizzy say pum pum good, I can just tell. Oh my god, yo, tripping!
But smash
Yo!
and pass. You want to talk phone or should I?
No, I don't want to accept nothing.
Alright. You know what to talk phone?
No.
Okay.
I pass that one, yeah?
Yeah.
Man say it's good, him just can't tell.
Him full of too much tattoo, pass. Pass two again. Pass again.
Yeah,
Pass again.
she passed
You see?
everybody?
You pass.
Yeah, everybody my pass. I swear upon my life. I'm not gonna tell a lie right now.
You just
She
pass
said she
everybody
swear on her
so-
life she passed everybody. She don't like nobody.
Yeah, I'm not gonna tell no lie. Unless you want me to tell lie.
No, I don't want you to tell
He
her.
said,
like,
Shorty got the box
you know,
out.
and
Mad
I
thing.
don't see them face. No.
You see me? Bro, you can literally see the insides of her thighs, bro.
I'm gonna see again.
Her skin is glowing though. Like, look at like how the light is like shining on her skin. Her skin is glowing.
Can you see a personality you go for? So you don't know them look right now. So you must have a type then. Can you say you don't have a type?
Yeah, make her.
Make him come.
Which one?
That one here.
Him right here, sir?
Yeah.
Alright, come closer.
Him can't drop in pants.
Alright. My G.
Yeah, but yo, man, them for real. Like, are we sagging like this? Are the man them in chat sagging like this on a daily basis or on any basis? Cause I can't tell a lie, bro. I'm not sagging like this, bro. I haven't sagged like this in years.
She say she a try to choose you right now. Based on where you
Good
can
luck,
glean
charm.
right now. Where you
Got my
say you
soap on
feel
the
like
rope.
you say match
Good
or
luck,
not?
charm.
If you come round, bro, for see what I go on. I swear to God.
You want to come around and make a
Yeah, more
decision?
come on, make a, you see me? Yeah, more sure. More come round, bro.
Alright, come around.
Slime said no. It was White Kids said I can't lie, she had 3.5 out of 10 no. But White Kids, you were just gassing her up. What do you mean? Debauchery keeps the skin young. You're right, that's why I look like this. That's why we all look like this. Debauchery for you. For me.
What you say?
Yeah, dark skin and things, she look good and thing, but you know, decline. You see, but she look nice and thing. You see me dark skin and you know,
Yeah.
you look nice and thing.
She
You
look
see,
nice for sure. I don't care.
yeah.
Alright. So unfortunately.
Gosh, man, she just said no. She don't like nobody
Nobody
line
at
up,
all.
so that's a turn off. I understand. I like my woman them. You know what I say?
No, them one.
Yeah, good night today. But you look nice, dark skin. You see it? Big up yourself.
Alright,
Yeah, big up
unfortunately,
yourself.
you would
Bro,
be-
the
be
man
the-
said dark skin like about 10 times. If the man says she dark skin one more time, I swear to God, she would turn into a shadow.
Match today, alright?
I don't feel no way
You
at
know
all.
me? Alright, that's the one you walk it out, alright?
I'm for the gossip.
Just walk it out. Yes.
Just walk it out. She look nice though, you know, but she's kind of chopped though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. She's kind of chopped though. Man said, I've never sagged. Don't like advertising my ass. Man said, nah, sagging like that is a why. Brother, so you guys can't come to Jamaica then? Because you're going to see sagging like that everywhere you go. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a sag. Showing his boxers. There's a fact. Sorry. Bro, YouTube is going
Alright,
to...
so watching our live. What the socials?
I didn't say the F word.
Let them know
I
what the
didn't.
socials,
You know
my
me,
G, and what
you
you
know,
do.
Live Boss TV, though. You know, you can come up on Instagram, Live Boss. You see what I say?
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Fully.
So what you do?
Yeah, I like line up and thing, you know?
Yeah.
Can I ask some question, no?
Yeah, can I ask you
Bro,
a
the
question?
man said, what do you do? The man asked you, what's your job? The man start talking about the lineup. Bro, what's your job?
So what you do?
Yeah, I like line up and thing, you know? Can I ask some question, no?
Yeah, can I ask you a question? But why?
Man said, what do you do? But yeah, I like the lineup. What? I didn't ask you that. I did not ask you that, sir.
Your type? Hold on, before we go, like, why your type?
To be honest, I like a girl who knows you, what you know? And take care of them man and thing, you see it?
Yeah,
Girl who knows you, cook and thing, you see me? Cook and them thing, you see me? I say, you know?
yeah.
Type shit, you know?
Type shit, you know. Man said, my guy, done.
So what you know live? I'm going to go down this line, see it?
Yeah.
I'm going to smash and pass the whole lineup,
Yeah.
and then you.
Alright, man, them,
pick
who is
you would want
smashing,
match
who
with.
is
See it?
passing?
Floor is yours, my
Who
G.
is smashing, who is passing? Let's go.
Can I
Run
ask some question to
the,
the
run the smash and pass in the
What's
chat
your name?
right now. We're smashing our passing block. Her belly, not liking it right now, I ain't gonna lie, but if she turn around and she have a monster back there, yeah.
Alright, Smash. What's your name? Smash.
I like her. I like her.
What's your name?
Thing is, Abby have a belly. You see Abby belly? Why Abby belly come out like this already? Look at this. No sir. Why this skinny girl have a belly?
Pass. What's your name?
Chelsea.
Smash. What's your name?
Chelsea?
Shelly.
Yeah. Smash Chelsea. Yo, Chelsea thick. Look on Chelsea bumper on him. Whoa, Chelsea.
Smash.
So hold on, where Abby then there?
Eh?
Abby then there something?
Ah,
Abby then there something? No, okay, you just pass Abby.
that ain't name that I tell you, bro.
You don't like that name, eh?
I am good, but you know, that be them.
You know,
they
like-
go hard.
Alright,
Man
alright,
say-
alright. So, we don't know.
Yo, guys in chat, do you know anybody by the name of Abigail that cheats on their partners? Let me know. Because he just said Abigail's cheat on their partners. So I need to know. So if I meet any girl and her name is Abby, I need to stay far from her. That's what he's saying. Man said, I miss the girl that said big cocky. Yo, Slime. Yo, what's wrong with
You go ask another question or we
Yeah,
have to pick
ask
who
him a
you want.
question.
What do you think, my bro?
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
If I buy a man an Air Force it?
No, Clarks.
Alright. How about you? If I buy a man an Air Force it?
No.
No. If I buy a man an Air Force it?
No.
If I buy a
Yo,
man
man, has your girl ever bought you any shoes before? Or any gifts?
an Air Force it?
A school bag.
School bag. That alone?
Yeah.
No Air Force, no? So if I buy a man yet? If I buy a man an Air Force it?
These women are stingy, bro. The man them not getting no gifts out here in these streets. No love. No love. We're out here taking them out on these dates for what? Yo, but look on her body, big though, Jesus Christ. But you see, that's what she's gonna use to trick me. I'm gonna be taking her out on all of these dates and all she's going to buy me is a backpack. What go on, Jersey? She lucky I don't call Jersey for come fix her. Yeah. I want to her. We do call up all of the kingdom. I want to her. Jersey, make them know, you know.
Plane ticket.
Plane ticket?
Ooh, that's rich. That's rich.
I can see her like nipplage, areola edge, area edge, right here edge, and I kind of like it.
That's rich. That's rich. That's rich.
So who you say you pick?
Can you one more thing? No.
Floor is yours.
We got for big or not? Can you take 360? On 360.
Okay, finally, what we came here for. It's not popping like that back there. It's okay.
Can you take 360?
It ain't popping like that back there.
360.
It's okay. Kind of long. It kind of long. Oh.
Oh,
I come and say, oh God.
And
Oh.
she a shake it. But look at her belly though. Her belly is poking forward.
Oh God, oh God. Yeah?
I want to see this one.
360 more.
Yes! Yeah, this is my favorite one. Which number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, because we're going to start from black. So number 4 is mine.
Tattoo up 360.
Woo! But tattoo look like, yeah, trouble though. Look at the tattoos and, oh God. Oh God. I was excited at first, but I'm scared now. Like, I'm genuinely like, I'm scared now, bro. I don't know anymore. I don't think so. Are you guys doing it? Are you guys doing it? Man said, bro, I never paid for nothing. My game just different. No. I'm saying the girl them. I'm not saying you pay for stuff, Jersey. No. I'm saying the girls don't buy us gifts, bro. They don't buy us gifts. And we're out taking them out on dates. And they don't buy us stuff.
Jesus Christ.
Whoa, it's a shake. Whoa.
who you say? Yeah?
Yeah.
Who you say? Right here?
Yeah, alright, there's somebody.
Alright.
Alright,
Talk
that's
about. So, he actually choose you, then what you say. Is it a match or not? Do you want to come
I'm
around
doing
and
it
see?
with a gun in my hand.
Yeah, me come around.
Alright, come around.
Oh, her voice sounds familiar. I think I know who this is. Oh, no, I don't. I have no idea
Alright,
who
so you
this is.
see-
But, oh my God, I want to know who this is, though. Oh my gosh. Yo, she looks so nice. Golden. Living my life like it's golden. Yeah, she golden. Okay, golden girl. Yeah.
know
Yeah.
What do you say?
Yeah.
Is it a match or not?
What you gonna say? What you gonna say? What you gonna say? What are you saying? Stop the suspense. It's riveting. It's crippling.
Me all a deep meds.
Oh my God, and she have a gap too. And she kind of gangster with it. Me a whole of deep meds. What? Nah, this girl is just surprising me. She's wonderful. She's full of wonders.
Me all a deep meds.
And she have a
deep med.
nose ring too. Oh
Come on,
my
you know if you
God.
think for that, man.
No, I like her. never like
no.
that.
No? Why? Tell her why, be honest.
No my type.
Not your type. So what's your type?
Like my man them dark skin.
Dark skin.
Yeah.
Alright, man, them. I'm out. Bro, like, I just can't catch a break, bro. This is why I'm afraid to go on these videos, you know, because same way I'm going to go for her and she's going to say I'm not her type because I'm not dark skinned, bro. It's like, what can I do? I can't stay in the sun all day, every day. Like, what you want from me?
Alright. I think he's dark skinned though.
No.
Man say, look, like, Cogency, back up the man, am I one that? Sorry, why kisses? Sorry.
I think he's dark
You look
skinned.
like bleachers.
Oh, you don't like bleachers?
Natural colors.
You say natural color.
Stop light skinny.
Natural
Exactly.
color.
Stop the light skin hate, bro. Stop.
For sure.
Sure, look. Look. No black knuckles, no. Natural color.
So still no?
I don't know what to say.
It's up to you, yeah or no?
Him kind of look like him bleach still, you know. Him kind of look like him bleach still. I say, I'm light. I say, bloodhound. Yo, Jesse, don't say that. I'm light. Gonna get cooked in these videos. Exactly, bro. Light skin get no love. You
It's
can't
up to
even
you,
be
you
brown
can't
anymore,
is that
bro.
no?
You can't
Yeah.
even be
Don't know.
brown anymore.
Alright.
You have to literally be as dark as
I
midnight.
work it out, see? But, yeah?
Kya?
Yeah, where? Watch it now. Watch it out, see?
You feel like me kya?
You say you like your man them dark skin, right? We have a couple dark skin fellas here, but what's your social though?
On Instagram it's heartless._done.
Heartless.
And on TikTok it's
Heartless.
official.
Heartless done. Yo, any girl will have her name as done. Like, and it's her name don't have done in it. She's the heartless done. That just give me red flag vibes immediately. Immediate red flag.
It's
Immediate red
heartless._done. And on TikTok it's
And she ain't even all
official.
that in the face. for
Official
real.
done.
You right.
Alright, so what do
But I like her though, and I like her gap. I got something I can try to fit in between there. You know what I'm saying?
you do, Miss Official Dawn?
Me's a promotion worker, a model and a video vixen.
Alright,
So what
okay.
you want you do? When you walk down this line, I'm going to smash and pass the whole
She's a
line up,
vixen,
and then you
promotion
pick a
girl.
match. See? Talkaphone is yours. You can ask a question if you want.
Model.
Just smash and pass
Yo,
the
watch it. Yo, sorry, I'm so sorry for being this inappropriate. But look when she turned, bro. Oh my god. Why is it doing that? Nah, bro. This is why people should be covered up. Look at this. Nah, fam. No, sir. I like it, but I don't like it. I like it, but I don't like it. I don't like the fact that I like it. No, man. This is too much. My girl. It's swollen. Contain it. Like wear a skirt or something.
Just smash and pass the whole line. Any end you want to start from.
Jersey said, that's a fat cat.
Pass.
Yeah.
Pass.
Why she gotta touch him when she passed? Like she actually wanna touch him.
Smash.
Yeah.
Smash. Pass.
Alright. So out of the two where
That's
you
a fat
smash,
cat.
which of them you feel like you want as a match?
Say Cogency, all he carries are switches. Yo, Drizzy, you saw No Limit Cairo getting locked up with a switch for fighting the Venezuelan gang members that's trying to take over Chicago. Are the Venezuelan gang members trying to take over your block, Drizzy? Is they trying to take over the shot? Or are they overreacting? Are they doing too much? Yo, Chief, hurry up. I say, yo, fam, what she
Take
looking
that
at?
one, yeah.
That one here?
Yeah.
Alright. Come closer.
I'm trying to figure out what she looking at too.
So based on what you glimpsed in my G, where you would say you feel like this could be a match or not?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. But I have to come around and see the full feature. I can't put pussy in a bag, you know. You see me? Yes, I have to come around and see
No
full
more
feature.
clouded.
You see me? I can't
CJ, you had a Jamaican girl before?
buy.
Full feature.
Yeah. You know them style.
You must say a soft girl.
May I give, normally, more want you give me a match. Tell me say it's a match. Come around and say camera can see you. More want you tell me say it's a match before I bring you around, you know. But I can actually make the exception for this video and bring you around.
Cause I
Come
want to
around.
see who she
Come
like.
around.
Cause I feel like she going to deny everybody with her long body.
Come closer.
What's the long line?
See her, you know. I don't even want to take a good look at her. Zane, what you say? You feel like it's a match or not?
My question?
Yeah.
360. What should this name again?
Yo, nah. Some self-respect. No, sir. Nobody can just say, oh, yo, 360. What? And you just start spin like a rotisserie chicken? You just start spin like a pig pan a roast? No. You need to ask nicely, you know, with compliments as well. Bro, these women have no self-respect. My man just said, yo, 360. The man didn't even do it with any style or any. When I say, yo, 360. Like what?
Question?
Yeah.
360. What should this name again?
That's it?
What's the
What should the
name?
name again?
Man say, yeah, because they killed one of his homies, so he tried to slide back but got arrested. But they not taking over nothing. They not taking over nothing because I seen like news reports and everything talking about it. But if Drizzy say they ain't doing shit, that means they ain't doing shit. They need to stop capping. Shorty got mad at me because I didn't hit her when she was tweaking. I had to go. What? She wanted you to actually physically like hit her in the face?
Jin.
Miss Chin?
Yeah.
Miss Chin look good. I like her tattoo on her hand, you see me?
Yeah.
Like she's a nice young lady. She's a decent young lady. You can't judge a book by its cover still. You know them with it?
Yeah.
Yeah, my father, but I just not my type, you see me? But she look alright. I like her. You naturally hear that, you know, cream? It's sweet. You see me? I have a nice smile. Don't hide the smile. Smile for the camera. Yeah, you see me? Yeah. She can go on, but I just not my type. You see me? Big up yourself.
So just
Like
because it's not your type, that's why you're gonna pass?
Yeah, I just pass that one now.
Alright.
Yo,
Alright.
one bag of
Let's go
passing.
back around. So we're bringing forward right here.
Damn, she ain't getting no match. I was kind of feeling her though. I ain't gonna lie.
So any of the
coulda
other
got
males, Zane,
She could have got
based
it.
on what you can see,
Man said she had
if you
issues.
want to come closer, want to tell me, would any of y'all see her as a match?
People
So
calling
come
her.
closer?
Yeah. She's mad.
Yeah. Is that match?
Yeah.
Alright, come around,
Yeah,
Maggie.
man say yeah.
Come right here. Oh, okay, you break your foot?
Yeah, just VR. See that?
Just here.
Yeah.
Bro, this guy's a comedian. There's no way you seriously walk out here like this, bro. There's no way you you take yourself serious and walk out. Bro, you're dressed like how I dress for stream, bro. What? The man look like how I would have dressed on
Alright, that's
stream.
fine. I'm cool with that. So what you know? What's the name, IG?
Them are the kid. Gang.
Type
Gang.
Alright, so them are the kid. He actually come around for you in a Miss Chin.
But what you know, she said she like dark skin and me don't know, but me rate her still, but anyway.
Bro, but you're dark skin though. What you mean? You're dark skin.
He should have choose you.
Yeah, cause she say yeah, but me rate
Oh.
her still, but
And
yeah.
the foot color them fool me.
The foot color them fool you?
Yeah.
So film foot color look
Yeah,
different from the
Two
face?
man that shades are.
Lucky man.
House color is there. House color is there.
House
Alright,
color.
So watch on a kid. You come around, you know. What you like about her make you come around?
I like her tallness and I come around and see her face, she look cute also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So why she rolling her eyes when him said tallness? So women can like tallness, but men can't like tallness. I said tallness, height. Yo, you see, as Jamaicans, we just make stuff up. There's no such thing as tallness, or is there? No, they're not. Bro, it's height. Stop. You
Yes,
see?
and,
I'm even thinking about it.
Come on, I'm saying her face, she look cute also.
Not no name tallness.
All right. So he actually came around for you, you know. Are you gonna accept him or are you gonna reject?
Me accept.
You accept?
Yeah.
Me love that. What do you
Wow.
like about him though?
You see, she don't even like nothing about him. She just accepting because no one else wants her. Nah. I see through all of that. Transparency.
Look like him can manage.
Him look like him can manage.
Because me live a white and them thing there.
Yeah, me have white liver chance. Me,
Type
yes,
shit. Type.
yeah.
So,
Yeah.
manage what exactly?
Just, we know what we are talking.
Yeah, we
What
know that,
manage
we do
what?
know. It was too enough. We know that.
White liver. What is white liver?
Anyways, and
No, me no know what white liver, Joe.
me love, you know?
You love.
Boom walk, man.
Boom
What is
walk.
white liver? Explain to me.
Yo, what that? No, brother. Yo. Somebody can't ask you a question with words, and you just start jiggle up yourself. You can't do that, bro. Don't start jiggle up yourself beside me. What is he doing that? Why is he doing that?
What is too rude? Yo, here we go. What am I trying to get? I walk it up, my G. Walk it down. You can get out of the bro.
Yo, she look nice still. She look nice.
All right, guys. We have our first match of the day. And remember,
South
if you want to be a
looks
part
like
of
the
this
desert.
video, remember, Zid, follow me on Instagram. That's the only way I'm going to know if you want to come on the video. You can't do it in the comments. Follow me. If
Why Kizzy said she give me bopper vibes.
you feel like somebody get a
Bopper
match,
vibes.
and you want that person, you can try for the steal. Zid, remember that. We're back over male side, right? So like how you decline, come around, Sammy. Like how you decline. What is social?
Well, you know, say you are one Sammy official, is him on the gram, TikTok. And on the gram again, you know, 1K braces for you. You see me go follow up.
Alright, so you do braces.
Yeah.
Alright, that's the only thing you do?
No, whole heap of things, but for list out all of them right now, jack of all trade, you know. You see me?
Alright, bud. So what your type, my G?
My type is a whole heap of things still tweet.
All
but for
my
shape-wise,
life I
man,
had
yeah.
to fight.
she have a slim thick, can't too thick.
Yeah.
Honestly, I really don't care what nothing this guy have to say now. I just want to say like, oh, him bring around my friend who oh my God, bro, you see that? Did you see that?
She a
Did you
whisper.
see what I done?
True.
Tell me no black man,
They
let
good,
me know
man. She can't
I
fight
want. Bro, do you see? Oh my gosh.
Right? See how you're in it, Sammy?
Yo.
She can go on, she pass.
Pass.
She pass the test.
Alright, so watch you now.
Yo, her face low key kind of chopped still, but her body can get the mop.
Friend,
Can get
What's
the
your
wop.
social? What you do?
My name is
That's good, we're good. Don't get nervous. What's your name? And what you do?
I'm a promotion dancer. My Instagram is DHQ_unit_doll.
Alright.
Okay.
What's your
Alright,
type, though? Do
unit
you
dog.
possibly think he could be your type?
Yeah.
That's it?
So he's definitely your type.
Yes.
If you should describe your type, it would be him.
What?
Say it's a match
Just,
for you,
it's
right?
just that
You see her
simple?
face in the Sammy. Will you would say, is it a match?
She could have passed the match, but the work, the promotion, that I'm not really bash nobody upon them work, you see me, but two shall go around 1,000 man and shall see 1,000 man a day and them say, you see me, you see 1,000 man a day, you must like one.
You must like one.
She must like one, so cheating on
You
the
must
so.
like one.
So I don't know what she look, if she look at me as a husband material or she just look at me as a man, she just go and smash.
Yeah.
Lady, calm down. Yeah, you look on camera. What you saying?
She said it's a match.
Yeah, but she have to know where she have placed me in her life.
Yo, the man that take the thing serious, man, them. Yo, no, listen to how serious he's taking it. He's like, yo, I don't want to match with her. And then, you know, she don't take me serious and I'm just someone that she's gonna smash. And, bro, it's a YouTube video. It's not that serious. Look at what I'm wearing. Look at what you're wearing. It's not that serious.
Well, I'm not going to tell you no lie. On a big man level, it's up to what you think. At the end of the day, and everybody are the same.
For real. For real.
You can't judge a book by the cover, don't it?
But some-
You can't. Yeah. You might think you're a princess when you look at a demon. You might think you're a demon when you look at a princess.
For
Don't
real,
it?
that makes sense. That wise.
That was your
See, me
friend.
not think deep now.
Now you feel bad. You feel bad about what you said.
So you say, you reconsider?
You feel bad about what you
Nothing,
said
but
now.
she nice. Yes,
Yeah,
she look
cute.
good.
Yeah.
She look good. She have a
Man
nice.
say Unk is doing too much. Trying to give life advice. Why you calling him Unk? I know him look kind of old, but I promise you he's not that old. I promise you he's not that old.
Man, she put herself together. At the best bath suit this my sister for. You see me? Oh, I hear your moms. I can't judge your moms, bro. You lose your moms. Focus by your moms.
Man say you lose your mom.
She
Focus
look
on
good
your
still.
mom.
You see me? She put herself together.
Yeah.
Color, code, everything. Sim, but just to work. Somebody know if me could have stopped her from. If me could have
Bro,
been man.
why is it? This guy wants to stop her from working her job for a YouTube video. Is he serious? Is he serious? He's the type of guy to get heartbroken when a girl don't talk to him again after a one night stand.
Make sure think and go someone change her.
Man say cause of what he's wearing.
and Find something more with fit.
To be honest, a lot of men in Jamaica, my age, wear the same exact fit.
But I put in a jacket and tie and whole heap of thing and them
Well,
something.
to be honest, I'm a pediatric nurse,
Oh.
which I do dancing on the side.
Oh, so now you see that now, you see my job.
Should I say that
see that
first?
now, you see that now.
I said that first.
Okay.
Yes, as I say, you can't judge a book by the cover, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
So you say something, you change your mind or not?
Alright, Unk.
Keeper.
Yeah, keeper?
Man say he trying to save. Don't save her. She don't wanna be saved. Don't
Yeah.
save her.
You sure?
No keeper, yeah, not keeper.
don't wanna
Alright.
be
Even though you
saved.
not
Don't
reconsider,
save
you're still
her.
gonna keep.
Yeah.
It's not no more option. It's not no more option. It's not no more choice. We just keep him, but I keep her.
Alright, so you want something. Just want you hold a match, hug up and walk it out. See it? Cheer them and cheer them, guys.
Yeah.
Cheer them up, cheer them up.
Nah, her face.
Something. Just want you
though.
hold a match, hug up and walk it out. See it? Cheer them and cheer them, guys. Cheer
I like her skin. Nah. Is her hair? Is her hair? I don't like her hair. Cause her face not ugly though. It's her hair, bro. But body wise and her arch and her body, skin tone, color, everything, yeah, up.
them up, cheer them up.
Everything up.
Alright, so we have our second match of the day, right? Me love this. Me love this. So we're back on the female side, right?
Man say her face is cooked. Ah.
Comments. What were they?
Yo, Ish Floss. Yo, what's wrong with you?
Yeah, watch the show here now, watch the show. Which part me there? Female or male? I think a female. A female is it? Yeah. Alright.
Me
I
don't know,
come
me
in,
don't
me let's
know.
talk to Miss. Come around like how you want.
I thought she was Leng.
Come
She's not
around.
Leng. She's not Leng. She's not Leng. Man, them. Remember when I told you at the start I was scared? This is why. Bro, I trust my gut instincts, you know. I trust my gut instincts. I will never lead myself astray. I knew to stay far away from this lady. Look at her.
Guys, you like that one here? You like that one here?
No.
I like a tattoo them. Tattoo time, come. All of the space for your skin soon done. Can I tell you artist?
Yeah.
You artist too?
Yeah.
Alright, I love that. So what you know? What's your name, what's your social, and what do you do?
Shelly.
Shelly?
Yeah, that's my name.
And what's your social?
Bad girl DHQ Shelly.
Bad girl,
Bad girl?
DHQ Shelly.
Bad.
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 In what
Bad.
way? Warrior we are there.
Dancing.
Dancing way.
Dancer. What's your type though?
Stop this, sir.
You don't
Stop
have a
this,
type?
sir.
Stop this, sir. Oh. Tick.
Tick.
Yeah.
Tick.
You like muscular men.
Tick. Yeah.
So skinny man them not don't feel. Alright.
Two
so-
skinny person can.
Gash
She said two skinny people can't come together. Yo, Jersey said 2 shots, I'll still hit. CJ said don't know.
Alright, so
Slimito said ill.
nothing else?
Let's see.
Alright, so watch out now. We have 2 matches in. I think we have 2 matches. If you want to go for a steal, you can do that. But first, more smash and pass this whole lineup, and then you're gonna pick a match. Alright? If you want to ask them a question, you can.
Yo, you know what I'm saying?
Pause.
Smash. So you smash 1 person out of the 3. And remember, we have 2.
I guess this is like people in our life, somebody in our life, our son or something.
We have 2.
Yo, why her
So you
face is
smash
like
1
that?
person out of the 3. And remember, we have 2.
What? Bro, I'm scared, bro. I'm scared, bro.
We have 2 matches.
I'll still smash, you know. I definitely still smash, but I'm scared.
If you want to go for a steal, you can. Do you want to go for a steal? No? Use the tachophone. So watch out now. My G. Turn around. You're about to show to the camera.
Yo, the man said turn around so your back don't show to the camera. My girl proceeds to do a 360 spin. I'm gonna give her the benefit of the doubt and just say she misunderstood what he said.
My G. Turn around. You're about to show to the camera. You just want to turn. I want to turn around, right? Mr. Turn around so your back don't show to the camera. It look like she'll show you something in the style, my G. She walked up to you, right? Yeah. Do you feel like she could possibly be a match?
Be yourself, what I can see.
Yeah.
But I feel like I have to see something more.
What else you want to see?
You have no hidden talent.
Hidden
Something
talent?
could have made me say, you know.
have no hidden talent.
Business owner.
Something more could have convinced me, you know.
Business owner.
Business owner is not a talent.
No,
Maybe you
that
think
I'm
like
a talent too.
That's your talent?
Yeah, and dancing I'm a talent too.
So you can dance.
Yeah. What?
Do something to impress me.
Oh my god. You see? That's all he wanted, you know? That's all he wanted, for her to shake it in front of him. That's all he wanted. Horny ass nigga, bro. Freaky ass nigga 69. God ass nigga, bro. Freaky ass nigga, bro. And look at her. You knew she was gonna shake it. You knew she was gonna shake it. Talking about, oh, I'm a business owner. That's my talent. You know she wants any excuse to shake her ass, bro. Look how happily she just jump round and start shake. Look.
Not about that.
So what you say? What you think is a could be a match? You come around?
To be honest, I can't say it's a match based off what I see because it's a 50% chance that she's a tranny, is it?
She's a what?
Tranny.
Tranny? You mean a tranny? The man is saying there's a 50% chance this young lady in front of us is a man. Is this guy stupid? Or does he know something? Or has he been through stuff that we haven't been through?
Because it's a 50% chance that she's a tranny, is it?
She's a what?
Tranny.
What's that?
Man say her hidden talent is beauty, respectfully. That's a W joke. That's a W joke from YKs. She looks like an extra from Thriller.
Yo! The exact word, your channel might be demonetized. So just leave it right there. So she's a tranny. Make your viewers them go look it up. So me have to see everything because the world we live in right now is
plump up around this thing.
Yeah, me have to see everything.
A tranny.
Tranny.
No,
You want me to say the word?
A transmission.
Yeah, man, the word.
Transmission.
Me have to see everything.
Oh, the world we're living in. Oh, yeah, me get where my say. Because you know people my trick with them a transition.
Exactly.
Them a transition.
Okay.
Kill we.
Oh, so you want to come around or
So yo, he thinks that she look kind of mannish.
going to decline?
I have further on there.
Alright.
I have further on.
Further. Come here. Up there side there.
Yo, I'm still scared of her though.
So you see her now?
Yeah.
Vin? What you say?
Alright. So she can dance. She had no one trying. She look like she born as a female. So she passed the check there.
She passed the check there.
Alright, so
Bro, why is this guy so scared about the trannies, bro? Like, I've never experienced a tranny, bro. Is this guy going through things in life that we're not going through?
I can't just go off for just that alone.
Yo, CJ would say her face is very punchable.
See? May I have one question?
Do you think?
What's your body count?
B.
Huh?
B.
B?
Yeah, just put B. If you slash pass this one. Just pass it this one.
Me just say B, but I don't know
Just
B.
B. Pass
Meaning
it.
like a number 1 to 10 or to 100.
Let me just get it.
Yeah.
Man said, what's your body count? My girl said B. Pass it there, sir. What? Bro, I'm lost. Let me play and hear what she say again.
Pass this one. B.
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 B?
Huh?
B.
B?
Yeah,
B?
just put B. If
Just
you
put
slash
B?
pass this one. Just pass it this one.
Me
Just
just
pass
say
it
B,
there,
but I don't know
sir.
B.
B. Pass
Meaning
it.
like a number 1 to 10 or to 100.
Let me just get it.
Yeah, pass. Pass.
Oh, she's not gonna answer. That's what it is.
Yeah.
That's fine.
That's the only question you have for her? You have any question
Why you would have asked her body count though, lame ass nigga?
for him?
No.
No?
No.
So he came around. Do you still think he could be your type? Very much?
No.
No? Why?
Because.
Let me hold him, man. Let me hold him, man. Because
It must say. What's it?
when let me tell you in your ears. So him just be careful.
I mean, you can't judge me if you don't be careful.
So?
I will only
No,
know.
that's then come around and look.
Yeah,
But me a woman same way.
but that's what I said.
Okay,
You look like
okay,
a woman, say
okay.
the past, the part there.
Okay.
Bro, she's slow, bro. She's slow. Bro got a Celtics jersey too. He can't dress to save his life. Trust me, bro.
Okay.
Alright, so she said no. So based on what you're saying, do you think she could be your match?
Nah. Nah.
No?
No.
Alright. Go back around.
Yeah.
Gents, right? Would you all see her as a match based on what you're saying?
No, my
you
G.
said
No,
no?
my
You?
G.
No, sir.
No.
Alright. I guess we don't have a match for you today. I just want you to walk it out, alright? Alright. Come around, my G, cause you decline.
She's telling him that she's active. Of course she's active, bro. Of course she's active. Look at her. That's the definition of activity right there.
Alright. So what's the name, what's the social, and what do you do?
I just say
My
I
name is
could
D.
care less
Danny.
what
You know,
this
you
guy
guys
has
can
to
find me
say.
on Instagram and
I
YouTube.
want to
I'm
see
gonna do
the
for you a living,
girls
I take care of my
choose
people.
him.
Them.
Oh, him say he want
That sounds
steal a
rich.
girl. He want steal a girl.
You might have a trouble with the woman. Come here. Come here. Forward, Sammy. Forward. You might have a
He's
trouble with the
trying
woman.
to. It's
Maybe
Mr. Steal Your
You want to take
Girl.
Woman, if anyone travel with the man, them.
Oh, that's
That
a
you shoulda
true.
do. Nah.
That's a true. Come here.
Yo, the man a hold up him woman already. Watch it, and pound waist and everything all up.
Girl, back here, Sammy. All right.
And so the man a hold up him woman already.
So, Danny,
Yeah.
them forward now. Do we are though?
Alright, so to be honest, me see the one here. She the first one, right? Yeah, me see her.
Yeah.
She nice.
Mm-hmm.
See, but me never hear what you do for your living.
Promotion, video vixen, and model.
Alright, and you?
Promotion, pediatric nurse.
Alright, so to be honest, me tell myself, say the next girl or me, I go, be the one.
Yeah.
I think I go want somebody who can heal me in some form of way, is it? Because I worry, is it?
Yeah.
Battle the world and as me say, me take
Yo, you see what I mean by I have to skip the man them sometime? Because I just know that this guy was going to waffle. That's why I skipped everything that he was saying before. Because I know that this guy is going to waffle. And it's still, the man did all of that talking to get nobody. I'm not going to listen to that. Shut up.
True. Type
But
shit.
loyalty now, no, for do that.
No. She's loyal to her man, guys.
Oh.
You want to steal her from
Don't
her
talk
man.
about that long time.
Alright.
Don't talk about
Alright. Well, walk out of the match, my G. Walk out of the match. Walk out of the match. Walk out of the match. Walk out of the match.
Same waste with them woman up there.
I crank up, mess it up because the man them should have forward.
I said, they get nervous and
You
they say, man.
ever see woman go look man and cry the man them?
No, but we'll have to bring them back. I want them to different thing.
Alright,
Yeah, I have to bring the girl them back. Plus, they still wouldn't choose you. Bro, they still wouldn't choose you, bro.
Alright, so watch it
As I
out.
said, to a lineup look, nobody not there for me, dog.
Nobody there, yeah. You know, see your real type it. Okay. Alright, my G. Alright, my G. Come here. She just has to say something. Me, she just has to. Come here. Come here.
that?
Come here. Where you just say?
Oh,
Come
dark
here,
skin
come here.
girl, dark
We've
skin
never
girl
done
from
this
the
before,
start.
But what you just say? Me see your mouth.
I want to know what I'm really come here for.
What am I come here for?
You come here for a woman or just for somebody for go around with?
Yeah, but what did you come here for? You didn't choose anybody either. Oh no, yeah, she did, but he didn't choose her. Damn, yes, that's true. Yeah, you're right. My bad. She didn't get chose.
Because for your job enough for matter, from you just want female, if you need to go home to me.
My girl say you need to go home.
So we need to go home. She said,
To her.
oh, go home.
Yeah, you need to go home to me because I mean as in come on my yard, come home to me.
Oh,
You need
wait.
to go home, you should have there to me because you're perfection. Yes,
Perfection.
Alright, so the thing is,
Loyalty,
it's my
loyalty. If
class.
you trust somebody, you're supposed to trust somebody. You know,
Alright,
business
go
about the job. You have to come from something to somewhere, and not from something to something again.
Yeah.
I see with
You're
my
from nothing to
class.
something. Let them know. Yeah, you have to start somewhere in life. From nothing to something, baby girl. Let him know.
You don't have no excuse. Me
Want
not really
somebody
care.
who can match up, you see?
That hurt her ego when he said, nah. I know it did. C1 Wallet? Who's C1?
The reason why she feel that way is because she knows she
Me not
can't
feel
match
no
up.
way about it.
Oh,
babe.
he looked
Trust
like
me.
C1?
Next question.
Oh, the girl looked like C1. Oh my God, she does. Oh my God, she looked like C1 7th. She looked like the 7th. She looked like C1 7th, the sinner. She looked like sinner 7th.
She feel that way because she knows she
Me
can't
not feel
match
no
up.
way about it, baby. Trust me.
Next question. She did a party lineup.
Yes. Think she was the
Invite
first.
her back up, yes.
Me.
Are you invite her back up?
Yes.
yeah. Try style her, but who invite her back up yourself? Move from your son, come off our screen. Yes, man.
Come around, darling.
Shut up your mouth.
You never bother
Oh
come
my
around.
God.
No.
You see, I knew from her belly that I wasn't going to like her, bro. I knew from the way how her belly look, I wasn't going to like her, bro. And yeah, bro, just no, bro.
Never say that.
You okay?
I'm okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
You nervous?
No.
Alright, what's your name and what's your
She did look
social
like
and what do you
C1
do?
7th, though.
I'm Abby. I'm not on Instagram.
Not on TikTok, nothing?
No.
Okay. What do you do?
I'm an hairdresser.
You do the candle locks?
Yeah.
Want me need one electrician right now, you know. Fix me here, you know.
Oh, I'm busy right now. Do what?
No, not right now. But
Okay.
you're busy finding a man. I like that. What you know? We have 2 meals remaining, right? We also have some matches. So if you
As if she's a hairdresser, she look like she just got work still. She look like she don't into no type of nothing. She just goes to work.
want to go for a steal, you can do that.
Okay.
But for these two, I
Okay.
want you to smash and pass the whole lineup. See it out of the 2. But what's your type though before we do that?
Short man. Short and black.
Short black men.
Yeah.
She like short black men. What? That's a specific type that I haven't I haven't heard anybody say that. I haven't heard a female describe their type as that. Especially short. Why she want a short man? I don't understand. Why
Okay.
short?
I want to smash and pass the lineup, but if you want to go for a steal, you can.
Jesse said, hell nah, that's a man. No!
Okay.
Whole heap of
You
tragedy.
have to talk of phone.
Pass. Pass.
So you're passing the 2 because we don't see
So why she rest her hand on him just to say pass? You could have stayed where you were and passed. You didn't need to touch me. Back up.
the short black men. All right, so you didn't pick any of the two, right?
No.
But me don't know if you see none of the men them went away, if you would want to choose any of them as a match.
The one with the glasses.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, kid! Kid!
Come here. Come
Kid.
here, my G. Come here.
Kid!
Yes, you. I don't know if your match want to walk with you.
Kid!
Match, come here, match.
Nah,
Come
that's
here.
Demar,
Come
kid.
here. Come
Nah,
here.
that's Demar. She got no yeah, she wants short black men, so there's no competition for them. She thinks she's smart. She thinks she's smart. She has no flavor. Is she pregnant? Maybe. She looks it. She looks at the starting stage of her pregnancy.
Come in at the big room, my G. Come in at the big room. Come on one side. Yes. So, she basically I try steal your money now. You see me? So me don't know how you feel about that. How you feel about that?
How you feel about that?
Black girl have white liver. How much have white liver?
But you don't ask her if she have white liver.
You have white liver?
No.
You see? She just lame, bro. Bro, get this girl off the show and don't bring her back. You see, worse like how she don't have no social media, don't ever bring her back on the show or any show ever again. Just make her stay in her hairdressing shop and do hair. Don't do anything like this ever again. I'll never get the minutes that you've wasted my time with being on my screen. I'll never get this back. You know how much girls out here have way more energy and way more debauchery to give us, and you're just up here being boring. I should bore you with my Bora.
You don't have any.
Where's my Bora?
You don't have nothing else that can offer him other than the white liver? Because sometimes white liver is not all, you know. What do you think you could offer him?
Can give my hairstyle.
Can give my hairstyle? So that's what you're gonna use to try and get me to be your match? You're gonna do my hair? My current match can do my hair as well.
No, not disrespect, but
What channel?
it's about, you know?
No, I'm not disrespect. I know this I said, but I don't anybody going on my ear.
Okay.
Alright, so you're declining, my G?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Walk away there, much.
Yo, you see how she looked on her too? She gave her that look like, you tried it. Like, you tried it. You tried. What?
Okay.
I seen that. Ow, I just juked myself in the eye, bro. Oh my God. Ah. What the fuck? Ow. Bro, what the hell? Bro, why did I do that? What? I don't even know how I did that, bro. Poke myself in the goddamn eye. I totally forgot what I was finna say, too. Fuck it.
Alright. Walk away there, much.
I'm seeing
You like
stars
that
right
one?
now.
We don't like each other, me love that.
Yeah, they like each
Me love
other.
that. Me love that.
Ah, they like
Alright,
each
so what
other.
you know?
Ah.
Unfortunately, I didn't get a match today, right?
Okay.
So I just want you to just
Okay.
walk it out, alright? Go through goodie. Go through.
Okay. Like, bro, like, she just give me, like, slow vibes, bro.
Alright. So we're down to the nitty gritty. Zed,
Slow vibes,
we have
bro.
2 males and 1 female remaining.
Yo, she kind of looks smelly. Nah. Yo, they need to do one of these, but NYC female and male rappers. I don't think that's gonna go well in New York, bro. Somebody gonna get shot.
Normally, we would have made
Somebody
a
gonna
male
get
choose
shot,
right now,
bro.
but we have 2v1. So we're going to bring around the female and let the female pick between the two gents,
Somebody
right?
gonna get
I want you to come on,
shot.
darling. Queen, is that your name?
No,
So we have Queen right there because you're.
because I am a queen. I'm a black queen. Don't you see?
I see.
Yo, what shit? You could have just said, I'm a black queen. You see how she said it? Because I'm a black queen, don't you see? You see, immediately, no, I don't like you. No, I don't want to see you. I don't want to see you anymore just because of, yo, just. Can they just not talk? I know they have to talk, you know, dog, but look at what happens when they talk. Look.
No,
So we have Queen right there because you're.
because I am a queen. I'm a black queen. Don't you see?
I see. I see. Me love that. Zed, So what you know? What's your name? What's your social? And what do you do?
Alright, so my name is Dejane. I'm a hairstylist. Socials, face of the city on Instagram. That's it.
All right. What's your type though?
I don't necessarily have a type, but I want someone who we can be on the same page and communicate. We don't argue a lot, and if we do catch up about something, we can talk it out.
I like that. So no physical appearance? No? Okay.
She don't have
we
no
two
physical
gentlemen,
type?
right? Yeah. I don't know if you want me to bring both of them around. I'll make this exception, right? Or if you want to go for a steal with one of the matches.
Listen to me. You see, me choose my man, I'm ready to come take my man, so I'm not depend that.
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
But I know you people that take your man, and you take somebody, man.
Yeah, but in that case, me can't take shame, so bring them around.
Okay. Come around, G's them. Come around. More still I mingle of them too. Come around. One on the left, one on the right.
Yo, bro.
Make it do what did you
Bro, I swear, like, don't get me wrong, you know. Everybody different in the world, but you see Jamaica, bro, dog, you will get some of the most randomly unique character builds in the whole game of life, bro. Like where do you find these people? If we didn't know that this was a Jamaican Pop the Balloon, right? And not Pop the Balloon, find your match based off swimwear, right? Where would you say you think these people are from? Man them. Where would you think these people are from? Honestly. Where? Because, bro, I don't know. It's only Jamaica. Bro. I can't think of any other country that I could say the people dress like this. It's only Jamaica, bro.
What's your name? What's your name, Maggie?
Dinam.
What's your social?
Thinkwell TV on the Instagram and on the TikTok.
All right, and what do you do?
Entrepreneur.
Okay. What's the name, my G? What's the social and what do you do?
One top coat man, you know what I mean? You don't know, pastry chef, you see me? Actor, comedian, and sometimes I do YouTube. You see?
He's a pastry chef, an actor, a comedian, and sometimes he does YouTube, and he dresses like this, and he has tattoos all over his... You see what I mean, bro? Bro, you couldn't tell me that this man bake pastry. You could not tell me that this gentleman right here bakes pastry. Bro, nobody in chat or in the world could have predicted that. Nobody in the world could have predicted this guy's occupation. He bakes pastries and he looks like this.
All right, and what do you do?
Entrepreneur.
I've never seen a baker look like this.
Entrepreneur. Okay. What's the name, my G? What's the social and what do you do?
Look like this.
One top coat man, you know what I mean? You don't know, pastry chef.
Man say I spill my water.
Actor, comedian, and sometimes
bro,
I do YouTube.
WTF.
Depends on the vibe.
Depends on the vibe. All right. Want to come a little closer? I feel like I'm not hide. Come closer. Come a little bit closer. All right. So, may I give you the talk phone, right? And I wanted to ask them any question that you want, right? And then you basically choose a match, right?
Pastry chef, actor, comedian, YouTuber.
Alright, so my question, can I come over here? Sir?
Yeah, man, that thing.
Can I come over?
Oh, see the little bumper on there. Clap it up.
My
Want
question
slap it up.
to
Want
both
clap
of
it
you
up.
is,
When she back it
what
up.
do you
And
look
them
for in a female?
Emotional intelligence, spiritual maturity, you know?
Yeah, I was gonna say this guy, when he said, my name is Thinkwell TV, I'm like, bro, why is this guy trying to seduce the listeners? But I let it slide. Then you ask him, what does he look for in a woman? Emotional intelligence and spiritual maturity. Jesus Christ. We need to write that down when we go on the Pop the Balloons. When they say, yo, what's your type? I need an emotionally intelligent woman with spiritual maturity. Bumbo clad. We won. We automatically won. We automatically won the Pop the Balloon before we even reach on it. What him say? Emotional intelligence and spiritual maturity. Bumbo not. A whole heap of big word that.
Emotional intelligence, spiritual maturity, you know, because you have to know yourself. You can't live in your emotions, come and say, woman, them normally dwell in their emotions, you see. So if you can understand and have that critical analysis of yourself and know what you want and whenever you need to apply them skills, you are calm, you know. So
What you mean? What is he using the stovetop for, CJ? Say it with your chest. Say it with your chest. Say it with your
basically
chest.
control, self-control.
Say it with your chest, cuz.
Yeah.
Alright, you see me, you know, me's a different type of human being, you know. You see me? Alright. Me not really go so boom and ask female them thing there because, you know, female, then kinda tell you what you want to hear. You see me? Tell you say then this and that. And then now, when you're there with them now, go down the line, a different thing. So, me not gonna tell you say, yo, me I look for this in a female because them fake it. You know,
Facts.
most of them fake
Nah,
it.
facts. If you tell somebody, oh, I'm looking for, you know, as that guy said, emotional intelligence, yeah, a lot of people will like just change, like switch up their whole character to make them seem more emotionally intelligent so they can get that ass. So they can clap them cheeks. What are you talking about? Yeah.
It. You know what I mean?
Shower
And then when
man
you're there with them,
activities.
a total different thing. So I'm not interested in that. You see me? I say,
He's on the spice.
I like my girl them thick. You get me? I say, yeah, me not like them too firm either. Look a flux of it in her body. You see me? Yeah, when I go say, woman, slap your body, I go over. So.
Oh, you're talking about the guy on the right hand side. Yeah, he looks like he's using the water whipping. Yeah.
Slap it in her body. You see me? Yeah, when I go say, woman, slap your body, I go over. So. You see it? Yeah, I saw me do my thing, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Alright, let me ask one question. You basically just describe your type. What's your type?
Dark skin. Any empress, dark skin empress, them one.
Okay. I think the two of them. You have any more questions, darling? No?
Yeah, no, she look pretty still. Like from this side, her eyes and her nose and her lips and her skin. Yeah.
And which one of them could possibly be your match? Use a talkophone?
Yeah.
Which one are you going for?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
All right. With you with MIG, do you think she could possibly be your match?
Based off of the chino shop, man. Definitely.
Queen. It's not like a Rasta man in here.
They're not a family, man.
They not a family.
Rasta Muslim. You know?
Oh, Muslim. Okay, Alhamdulillah, mashallah.
We talk, you know, the horror. You see me? Calm. Me like that. So.
Man said, bro ain't no pastry chef. He's a chef for the local cats.
Normally, Ara build up when you're not too rare, you know. You know what I mean? We just tell them, I couldn't know one state. They have put Ara.
Don't worry about that, man.
All right, so you say she could be your match?
Yeah, it is.
And
He tried to say that your aura builds up when you're not having sex. But that's a plus for her, though. Like, a lot of women will actually prefer that still. Like, it depends. I feel like if your girl wants you to be outside slanging pee-pee, it's because she's outside getting pee-pee. You know what I mean? So, like, if a girl hear that you've been staying to yourself, you know, she's probably been staying to herself as well. At least that's what I would hope. That's what I would hope. But we know the girl, they're not staying to themselves anymore, are they? Are they?
and he could possibly be your man.
Yeah.
All right. So top coach. Any last word before I make you walk it out?
No, I'm a good man. Me just walk with grace.
Alright, walk
As I roll it, I say, you know what I mean?
All right, walk it out, my G.
Walk with
Come
grace.
over here. So,
Thick thighs and her thighs touching.
That much,
I
yeah.
mean, I was gonna say a lot of people thighs touch, but a lot of people thighs don't touch. So I kind of that's a nice thing of plus.
Zane, on the energy, I feel an energy, I like an energy. Zane, so I just want to hold each other hand and just walk it out, alright?
No, well, I'm got my man.
Hug up your man. Thinking you're gonna lift you up. You think I'll lift you, they want to lift you up.
She said she don't hold hands. She do hugs.
We're going. Alright guys, so we've made...
Yo, how many people after this you think actually like link up and actually... Or, alright, you see where my brain immediately went to? Immediately, but no. How many people you think in these like series videos, IRL matching videos, like how much of them you think actually link up? That's why I like Arlet's videos, you know, because Arlet gives us an update on the people. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying break no pastry chef, brother chef for the local cat. And I ain't gonna lie, man, them, I found another Jamaican one. So, but this is a 130.